PBZ's back to issuing alerts again.
Bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio, Guernsey and Tuscarawas, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, south central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 4 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Lafayette, or 9 miles southeast of Coshocton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Oh no.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Newcomerstown, Desville, Antrim, Lower City, Old Washington, Plainfield, Otsego, Bowdoin, Salt Fork State Park, Bolton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 173 and 192. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 61. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.